Alright, well, time to put this content out. Yep. Let's see here what I got for these little Steam Deck fans. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Another beautiful day. Yep. Hope your five senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. Alright. Okay, you little Steam Deck fans, let's see what I got for you. I did a video already. I was supposed to upload it, but I will upload it in a minute with this one. I was searching the globe. I was trying to find news on the Steam Deck too. So, yeah. Okay, what do we got here? Cross-platform remote play app for PlayStation adds controller mapping custom render option. This got to be Chai-Kai. Let's see if you have a PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4 and want Steam games to something else like your PC or Steam Deck. Chai-Kai is what you need, and it just got a great upgrade in version 1.9.0. Says originally called the Chai-Kai 4 deck, where it's vastly improved Steam Deck support over the original Chai-Kai open source project. It was later renamed Chai-Kai Chai-Kai Next Gen, or to be better showcase that it's for all platforms. The new version 1.9.0 brings with it some big new features, like a feature to allow you to fully configure the mapping of your controller, which they say is especially nice for mapping Xbox and Switch controllers to PlayStation inputs. You also now get more control over how the stream plays with custom options. Alright. Says here, all changes add controller section to Chai-Kai setting, which allow you to configure the mapping for your controller, especially nice for Xbox and Switch controller to PlayStation inputs. No controller map via Steam should be mapped directly to in the Steam user interface gamepad configurator, as opposed to this menu. If you try to map the controller that is mapped via Steam, in this menu it will give you a notification that you should be mapped via Steam. Add custom render option allows you to configure your render options very granularly with the option. Then it says add default to the settings so users are aware of the default, which settings they change. Add different haptic rumble intensity settings for users. To configure the default is not to their liking, and adding the ability to hide an unregistered Discover console. For manual connection, show one pane with all relevant information instead of two. When console is discovered, allow users to choose between registered console regardless of whether or not they are currently discovered. Make PS5 default console type. Disable click for full screen by default. Allow re-enable via video section of the settings. Fix crash when users has more than one PS5 registered with the PSN. Fix crash that could happen when a user uses the wake from sleep feature. Fix corrupt stream that could occur after several hours of streaming. Fix decimal point. No, wait a minute. Fix launching a path with a actual character on Windows. Fix decimal point during into scientific notation numbers. Q slider. Properly terminate IPv6 Discover service. Ping on network interface on Linux, Mac OS, showing all discovery previously undiscovered console. Alright. Chai-Kai. Yeah, Chai-Kai always updating, man. So yeah, updates are rolling in. So now you can map an Xbox controller with the PlayStation input. You Steam Deck fans, you're spoiled. Alright. What's this one? Popular FPS Fallen Ages gets Steam Deck support in latest update. Says Fallen Aces from Trey Powell, Johnson Bond, and New Blood Interactive quickly became a popular after the initial early access release in June, and now it has Steam Deck support. Valve initially rated the game as unsupported due to various problems from performance to crashes. Thankfully, it should be all good now. All announced on Steam with amusing get your deck out update with the main improvement including Steam Deck compatibility, massive performance improvement, additional option by dynamic shadow now default to low, add ability to skip cutscenes and game start up movies. There's also numerous bug fixes. Alright. Okay, updates are coming in, man. And games. Alright, what's this one? Sega Saturn style racer parking garage rally circuit is out now. And it says here, arriving on Steam with Linux support is Parking Garage Rally Circuit, an indie racing game from Wallaber Entertainment designed like a long-lost Sega Saturn game. It certainly looks the part too, so for those of you who enjoy something a little more nostalgic but with the modern touches, this is for you. And it says seems Steam players are enjoying it too, with getting a quick, very positive rating. Then it says, as developer explained, this is a hybrid of rally and circuit racing. From the rally, it draws the jump on a racer at a time against a clock time trial format. However, the tracks are similar to circuit racing, with each race consisting of multiple laps around the same track. The track may change slightly from lap to lap, however. Controls are very tight, simple, and arcadey, similar to Mario Kart. Accelerate, reverse, steer, drift, but with a bit more dynamic smash into things physics. That's native Linux support. No Steam Deck rating yet, but should run great. Check it out on Steam. Alright, now, what else we got? What else we got here? Let's see here. I'm almost done here. Let's see, Core Control adds power profile support for AMD RX 7600. Says you need more control over your hardware on desktop Linux. Core Control adds a small update recently to expand the support to add AMD RX 7600. This app allows you to control power and performance profile for GPU and CPU under Linux. Depending on what you have in your system, it looks like a bit like then it says fix main window not visible application startup when system tray icon has been disabled. CPU energy performance preference only shows performance as the available option when launching the application, while CPU governor is set to performance. Add power profile support for AMD RX 7600 requires Linux 6.11 or later. This is that's it. And it says, have you been using it? Anyway. Alright, what else we got? I think this is, let's see. And what's this one? Just a To the Moon series beach episode from Freebird Games is out now. One new release missed from last week, with Firebird Games launching Just To the Moon series Breach episode, the latest in their popular series of story-rich 2D pixel art adventure games, and like your previous, it comes with native Linux support. It says, as usual, the description the developer gives is not exactly clear, and they say the Breach episode of To the Moon Finding Paradise Imposter Factory, or is it? Yes, it's technical. It technically is just a To the Moon series beach episode. It's just that, a Moon to the series beach episode. Get ready for a new short adventure as the Sig Corp crew takes off to an all-expense paid vacation to Golden Lobster Hotel Resort for a grand total of 1 day, which is apparently the most company was willing to fork out. Join the similar faces from To the Moon Finding Paradise and Imposter Factory in this narrative. Adventure filled with mini games of varying elements, mysteries, and relaxation, as well as wait. The most of the characters here should already be dead. The developers say it's about 2 to 3 hours long, and they said clearly not to exit during the credits, so there probably some sort of surprise there. Additionally, it's not technically the end either, They say confusingly it's half of an ending. More to come, sort of, with their next planned game, The Last Earth Epic to the Moon RPG that will release at some point. Alright. Okay. Alright. And this has what's this? You can buy Just to the Moon series Beach episode on Steam. Alright. Anything else? Anything else? Let's see here. In place, what's this one? Okay, it says PlayStation 3 emulator RPCS3 gets expanded online play support for multiple classics. The PlayStation 3 emulator RPC3S just got expanded online play thanks to an update with RPCN, a server of matchmaking meant to be used with RPCS. Announced on X Twitter from the RPCS team, showing off a shot from the official RPCS3 Discord server, the new RPCN 1.3 releasing. And it said list of games that are confirmed working online now: Armored Core 4, Armored Core 4 Answers, Dragon Ball Z Burst Limits, Outrun Online Arcade, Ridge Racer 7, Super Puzzle Fighter 2 Turbo HD, Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo HD Remix, Tekken 5, Dark Resurrection, The Punisher, No Mercy, Top Spin 3, Wagon Midnight. List of games that now have fixed scoreboard: Crazy Taxi, Daytona USA, Gran Turismo HD, Hotline Miami 2, Ridge Racer 7, and Wrecked. It says there's not a complete list, as the developer mentioned. They're still learning what new games work as users test games and report their findings. So this list will get bigger as we receive new reports. The release notes for RPCN 1.3 mentioned various other fixes too. And it says you can check out the full online compatibility list on Wiki. Yeah. Anyway. Alright, what's next? Okay. And last but not least, let's see here. Heroic updates again. Heroic Game Launcher 2.15.2 release fixing for Amazon, GOG, and Epic Game issue. And it says, for all of you who play games from other stores and want those games on Linux and Steam Deck, Heroic Game Launcher continues to be the one best way to do it. The latest quick fix release is out now with Heroic 2.15.2 hotfix number 2. Here's the changes: outstanding fixes: fix Amazon game library synchronization failure, fix issues with Saijin, All Guns Blazing, and Black Myth Wukong from Epic Game Store, fix GOG cloud safe issues when files were removed using the utility on GOG website. What's changed? Fix issues with offline support by iLinguin. Says fix some of the smaller ESLint warning. Fix use upstream wine stricts on Mac OS. Text don't include build ID files in RPM. Offer portions to upload logs to a paste bin. GOG setup regression by, updated translation by, updated binary. So you can download it as an app image from the release page or from FlatHub. Yep. And that should do it. So you guys are good. News, deals, games, update. The usual. So yeah, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. You portable PC fans are good right now, for now, till the next set of news, so I'll keep you in the loop. But in the meantime, that's all I got for now. Yeah, so this is what, September the 23rd. We're about to start October. End of summer. Autumn is kicking in, so yeah. And then there's the autumn sale that's coming, and then more updates, and then winter sale, and then 2025 is here. So yeah, I'll keep you guys in the loop on what's going on with your Steam Decks. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars, Star Trek, or Dark Side. Go. Peace.